So guys, today's video I'm going to give you guys a hair update. So if you want to get the whole info concerning my hair, then you must definitely keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. My name is Joy. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video I'm going to give you guys a hair update. Okay, my hair is 3 weeks old since I JHERI coiled my hair using Ledger Coil coconut oil kit. So if you want to get the whole info concerning my hair, then you must definitely keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share to your family and friends, and subscribe to my wonderful channel. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. No further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, I recorded my hair on the 16th of December 2020, and I'm recording this video on the 5th of January 2021. You can see it's a bit different from the way it was when I JHERI coiled. It's like the afro, looks like a weave on or a wig. People think I'm wearing a wig, but sweetheart, it's my natural hair. Okay, it's my natural hair, and there is no breakage, nothing in my hair, no cutting. I haven't even combed the hair, and the coils are still popping. So let me show you guys the kit I use. So this is the kit I use. Getting a lot of questions, where can I buy it? My dear, it's my first time using this. Okay, salon I JHERI coiled is in Port Harcourt. Okay, so I just went there and I asked, I need a JHERI coil kit, and they're like, okay, this is the one available. What was the other one? The Hollywood said that one is not available. And then I called the guy who to do the hair for me, and I asked him, I can't find the Hollywood kit. He said I should buy the one they have, and then he came and then he checked it. Said he hasn't used this before, so me using it is going to be my first time, and it's going to be his first time applying this on someone. I was like, okay, no problem. I was scared because I was like, the one I've been seeing on YouTube and all the rest is Hollywood. Are you sure this is not going to cut my hair? And so I said, let's just try it. And then he went in with the laxer and the whole process and everything. While he was like combing my hair to apply, put in the rollers, he told me that my hair is not cutting. That the other one, when he used it on people and on himself, he realized that it cuts. His hair will just cut, but my hair is not cutting. I have soft hair. So he did that and removed everything, and then used the oil booster and neutralizer, and then styled the hair. He gelled this area and it went all back like this. You can see I can actually style the hair whichever I want. So now this is the 3rd week. You can see how the hair is. Let me show you guys the back. So you've seen it, right? So you can see the way it is at the back. Makes my hair look fuller. When I'm going to bed, I wear my bonnet. This is it. The coils are not oily like it used to be and wet. Now it looks dry. When I wake up in the morning, my hair will look so dry and dry, like nothing is on it, like nothing. What I do when I'm taking my bath, I apply water and then I use my towel to damp my hair. Once that is done, after I'm done with my makeup or going out, I go in with my coil activator, Jack 5. The coil activator I use, Jack 5, and I'll go in with eco styling gel to just push it inside to be slayed this way. Then I also go in with hair wax. I just go into hair wax so it's going to stick with, like you can see. So you guys, that's just basically that's the whole update. You can see how it is. So I believe once it's 1 month, the texture will change. Once this hair is 3 months, I'll give you guys another hair update. Okay, so this is how it is. Once I apply water with Jack 5, it pops out even more. So looks like a wave on. I'm putting on wig, like human hair. This is real human hair, coily and all of that. Probably after 3 months, I'm going to give you guys an update. I'll just allow my virgin hair to come out, and then I'll just pack it like that. I know the coils will still be there, even if it's not popping the way it normally used to, because I feel like the coils, the way it pop is degrading or stuff like that, but the coils will still be there once water is applied and once my coil activator is applied. So that's it. That's the update for now. This is a 3 weeks update, hair update. So let's just say a 3 weeks update, okay? Because you guys want an update, and now I'm giving you guys an update on the hair. I'm giving you guys whole tea, the gist. So drop a comment if you have any more questions concerning JHERI or the kits, or where you can get it. I think you can actually get it at Onitsha. If you know someone who sells at Onitsha or hair, or you have a relation at Onitsha, you can ask the person to help you check for the kits. Send a picture, it will be available at Onitsha. Just check, make inquiries concerning the kits, because I don't know where else for you to get it. It's my first time using it. So guys, that's my hair update. If you have any more questions concerning the hair, if you haven't watched how I JOVOU, the video will be linked up. Be sure to check the video out. Like, comment, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh somebody, I am looking for it. My ATL girls them bad, but them no bad reach you. Got a natural beauty when you wake up.